Good morning, pure structured traders. Today is May 10th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold. I will give you some of the major levels on S&P. Wendy will go over some of the minor levels on S&P, and then I'll go over gold, and then again we'll be adding oil as well. Today's market analysis. For those who like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. For those who are and watch and like these videos, thank you guys very much. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. With that said, guys, let's go ahead and hop into the morning market analysis. For me, for S&P 500, I do have more of a main level of support at 42.1825. No, we're kind of right in the middle, bouncing around, and I do think we'll see more upside, maybe back into those 42.39s, but we'll have to see. I like the level of 42.1825. If not there, maybe right around 42.1275 is my next support. And underneath that, we may have something right around 42.0750, but we'll see if the market can give us those areas of support. If not, it may take off from where we're currently at and see the resistance at 42.39. So that is what I have on more major levels. Under that, again, I got 41.92 as 41.9250 as a level of support too. But those are my main levels. I'm gonna hand it over here to Wendy. She'll give you guys some of the minor levels she has up on the chart.
Yeah, good morning, Dave and traders. Well, look what London did. It created that double top at 4238 where Dave's resistance is and found support where? At our beautiful first micro peak at 4223.75. Bounced off of that area and went up to a peak that we're not going to talk about yet. We'll talk about it later. Then what happened? Our micro peak number 2 at 422650. Market used it once earlier in the evening. Where did it go? Came right down to it again for the bounce. That's my second long. That's my second trade for the day. Where's my first trade? Well, at peak number 3, 4232 is peak number 3. What happened after our first peak bounce at 422375 went up? It went to that third peak and had a solid rejection. I took my first short there or fade and took it down to our second peak, 4226.50. I'm telling you, it is no coincidence where price action goes. If you know how to trade these little gems of micro peaks, micro supports, it's just fun to trade them. So as long as the market stays bullish, we can play these 3 peaks and make a lot of money. Now, where's our fourth peak? If the market pops up to our main resistance, where Dave said at 4238 area, it can come down and bounce off our fourth peak, which is 4230. All right, so we have 3 peaks. We have our main resistance, our main support. There is no reason why we aren't going to make a lot of money today on SPOOs. All right, so Dave, let's hear about gold and crude.
Awesome. Let me go ahead and pull this. Good job. Let me go ahead and pull up the gold chart here for you guys. Alrighty, so for gold, we did have a very nice bounce of support, couple touches here at a prior level of resistance at 39.5. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 different touches, and we push right back up. We do got a level of resistance. We may have a slight higher level. We can see we popped up right here to these 45.5. So this may be actually where we find that resistance. So right between this area of 43.8 to 45.5 could be a zone of resistance that we see for the market to try to pull down. We may either continue, two things that could happen here. Either we're going to continue to shoot to the upside, or we're going to stall right in this area and then fail with rejections here to try to pull it back down. So gonna give it some time to work itself out. Right here is gonna be where my resistance is. Want to see if we can double top that area and then come right back down. Target's gonna be the mid area and then gonna be the bottom. So We'll see if we can actually get the range play there. If not, we will have a bullish continuation. But the bulls and the bull run should have happened somewhere right around this support here. If you didn't get it, best to wait out for your next best trade from here. But underneath this level, I'm gonna play maybe a little bit of a wider area. I do got support all the way down here at 26. But again, we may come somewhere right in this area right here, which is gonna be somewhere, let's just say these 35.3s as maybe a level of support. We'll see if we get that as the market comes back into this area of 39.5. See if it holds. If not, then it could push down into those 35s. And then below that, going to be right around those 26s. Let's move over here to oil for those who are trading oil. This morning, you can see some nice movement. We have a level of prior micro support coming in that's acting as resistance 65.46. You can see we touched this 1, 2, 3, popped above it, and then 4 and 5 rejected this area. Do want to see if the actual gold, I
We
mean oil, gives us an actual resistance that pulls us down. So we'll see if 65.46 actually brings us back down into support at 64.98, or it curls right back up. Next level is 65.85 as a level of rejection. Above that, you can see some other areas that we have: 66.22, 66.34. Underneath for support for oil is going to be 64.52, and below that is going to be 63.91. So we'll see what happens. More of a current support that may be a nice level of a bounce is 64.98. So we'll see. Either we're going to take that short down, or we're going to try that support at 64.98. We'll see what oil gives us as well, but we'll just wait out till the market gets to our levels on that one. All right, team. With that, let's go ahead and get started with trading.